So today's video, we're talking about recycled homes. I'm inside one right now, 15 West Floral Avenue. A few months ago, this home was not here at this lot, but it's not a modular home. It's not a brand new home. This home was moved and placed here on this lot, and now it's for sale. I'm going to tell you about the whole process and show you the home coming up next. So welcome to 15 West Floral Avenue. This house right behind me is a recycled home. This was just put on this lot a few months ago. It's not modular. It's not brand new construction. This house was moved to this lot. And I'm gonna talk about recycled homes next, give you a tour of the house. So let's go ahead and take a look. So how does this whole recycled home idea work? So what happens is there are homes on the islands, let's say Ocean City, Brigantine, Ventnor, Margate, older homes, smaller homes that have been there for decades. And now what many builders are doing, they're coming in, they're tearing down the home, and they're building huge, beautiful brand new homes or even duplexes on those lots. And this is happening all along the Jersey Shore. So there are local house mover companies that will come up, and instead of tearing those homes down, they'll actually move them, and then they can bring them and put them on another site. So whether that's a home such as this one here in Pleasantville, something off the island, maybe a vacant lot, that's what they do. They're house movers. They come and they recycle homes, and they can use them for different purposes. They actually sometimes even have lots where they've got homes that are stored in their lot and ready to go on a potential lot should one become available. It's interesting from the perspective of a home buyer that, hey, you can get an almost new home, because in many ways this home, I'll show you around in a few moments, has a lot of brand new components, because as you're moving the home, you do have to change things like the plumbing and update a lot of things in order to make it work on this new lot. Now, if you're a builder, sometimes you can get more money selling the home to the house movers versus just tearing it down. So it can make sense from the builder perspective, from the developer perspective, or the seller of that particular lot. Sometimes it makes more sense to use the house movers. There are a lot of extra expenses, I would say, if you're considering doing this maybe for yourself or for investment. Like I said, you still have to do a foundation. You still have to get all the permits and approvals, the infrastructure, the plumbing, the connections to utilities, electrical. And in this case, they actually added a whole addition off the back of the house. So there was some added expenses. They ended up doing a new roof. So there was a lot of work that went into this particular home, and you may find that that could be the case if you try to do this for yourself, or you're looking for an investment or looking to do a recycled house. Expenses can add up. But I think you'll like this house. I'm going to show you around, give you a quick tour of it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Would you buy a recycled house? Do you think this idea makes sense? Do you think it's something we should see more of? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, see what your thoughts are on the recycled homes. So let me tell you a little bit about the house. This particular home, we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You come in the front entryway here, we've got a living room area, wood floors, kitchen. It's very spacious, a lot of counter space there. And then we have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom right off the hallway here. And then heading to the back of the house, we actually have a brand new addition. The brand new addition has a owner's suite. We have cathedral ceilings in here. We have a beautiful bathroom that was just updated and a walk-in closet. Although this is not a brand new home, it does have many brand new components, such as the heating and air conditioning system, water heater, new roof, and that whole back addition, which is all brand new. Out front here, we have a really nice sized driveway. You can get a few cars here, a front porch, side entry door as well. And let's take a look at the backyard next. So out in the backyard, as you see, it's a lot of space back here. It's a pretty long lot, not real wide, but it is very long. So you have a lot of space in the backyard. You could fence this off potentially and have a really nice space outdoors. So if you're interested in buying a recycled home, or interested in this property, 15 West Floral, or maybe you have a property that you want to have a home recycled on rather than torn down, contact me. Reach out at promptagents.com/YouTube. Be glad to help you navigate through the process of buying and or selling a recycled home. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks.